Hi, I'm Peter Beasley, Australia, New Zealand and Papua New Guinea Business Development Manager for global pump manufacturer Putzmeister, a German brand that many of you would have heard of. For over 30 years, I've worked in the fluid power industry alongside the dedicated and capable team at Beasley Hydraulics in Bundaberg, Queensland. I still keep my finger on the pulse at Beasley's, but right now I'm dedicated to the task of sharing the benefits of Putzmeister solid pumps with mining organisations in our region. A lot has changed over these last 30 years, an awful lot. Research, development and the speed of technological change outstrips the rate at which miners of minerals and fuels can get their product out of the ground and to the consumer. Simultaneously, under pressure of demand from consumers, miners are taking calculated risks to pioneer new mines in some of the most inhospitable places on earth. They're coming to grips with maximising employee safety, ecosystem management and procuring equipment that will stand up to the unforgiving conditions without failure. With Beasley's and Putzmeister, I've had the privilege of delivering services in some very civilised mining conditions and conversely in some mines where only the most dedicated of teams, the toughest field tested machinery, the most robust of pumps and the strongest logistics systems will survive. The risks of mining continue to grow as new technology allows miners to go deeper, longer and faster. And at the same time, key stakeholders from all sectors are insisting on a high emphasis on safety. And never before has this industry been so much in the spotlight. The failure and collapse of the tailings storage facility in Brazil on the 25th of January this year claimed the lives of 206 people, with 102 people still missing. Not to mention the catastrophic environmental damage and the impact on the economy. With tailings dams some of the biggest man-made structures on earth, and the disposal of tailings representing such a huge cost to the miners, the pressure to either backfill with paste or pump high-density slurries further and further away from populated areas is increasing. In addition to this, aspects such as safety, environmental protection and production are critical to a mine's performance. Globally, there are an estimated 3,500 major tailings dams, and InfoMine estimates that between 2 and 5 of these every year will have catastrophic failure. At some point, we need to ask ourselves the question, is this acceptable? Is there a better alternative? Simply, the answer is yes. Putzmeister lead the world in producing pumps that can achieve the desired outcomes of either backfill or high density pumping. Both of these pumping options use less water. This translates not only just to cost and efficiency savings, but enhanced safety with an environmentally responsible focus. Putzmeister pumps installed in mines of all sizes give stakeholders the peace of mind that failures are less likely to occur. With the precision and power of these pumps, the need for highly dangerous, life-threatening tailings dams can be significantly reduced. Putzmeister pumps are the product of extreme precision in design and construction, intentionally manufactured to last longer periods with fewer failures and less wear and tear. Our experience has shown that no two projects are the same, no two mines are the same, and no two solutions are the same. But the failure to use the right pump for the right project and the respective mine can be catastrophic. And that is why the consultation, design and development process is such a critical factor. Our process is to engage with the mining company early on, involve as many key stakeholders as possible to ensure that all key performance criteria are fully documented and clearly understood. When the stakes are so high, is there really any substitute for installing anything but the most technologically advanced and resilient equipment? When the stakes are so high, Putzmeister respond by insisting on precision, not only in engineering, but also in communication. The combined global research and knowledge bank of Putzmeister separates them from other manufacturers who use outdated pump technology with high water content, suitable really only for slurry tailings dams. By using a collaborative approach, enhanced through the use of seamless and transparent communication channels, Putzmeister Solid Pumps contributes to optimal system design for each individual project. Because we evaluate each mine separately, its location, output, stakeholder views, we are mindful of ensuring that each pump we recommend is tailor-made, adjusted and installed specifically for use in the conditions that it faces. By using this approach, there are fewer failures, far fewer risks, and a great deal less downtime due to wear and tear and machinery failure. Putzmeister Solid Pumps are literally saving the earth, one pump at a time.